Welcome to MindSprint, your go-to channel for future tech and daily inspiration. Today, let's dive into the top 5 AI technologies that are truly transforming the way we live in 2025. Ready to jump in? Let's get started. Remember when virtual assistants could only answer questions? Well, now they can help you manage your entire life. With the ability to understand context, emotions, and even our voices, AI like ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini have become our work buddies, chat partners, and even our digital life coaches. AI doctors are getting smarter. In 2025, AI not only assists in diagnosing diseases, but also in creating personalized treatment plans and early detection of illnesses like cancer and Alzheimer's. It's even being used in robotic surgeries. For content creators, AI is now an indispensable tool. It can produce videos, designs, music, and even scripts like this one. Tools like Runway, Hingga, and 11 Labs speed up the creative process by tenfold, making it faster and more affordable. Our vehicles are smarter than ever. This year, many cars come equipped with AI co-pilots that help with driving, avoiding dangers, and even chatting with you during traffic jams. Companies like Tesla, Hyundai, and various Chinese startups fiercely competing in self-driving and voice AI features. Smart homes are getting even smarter. AI in homes can now adjust the temperature to match your mood, play music based on your energy levels, and even monitor the health of residents. Not only is it intelligent, but these AIs now also have feelings. What do you think? Among these 5 technologies, which one do you find the coolest or most anticipated? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with the latest tech trends. See you in the next video, where we'll dive deeper into each of these amazing AI technologies.